Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh, I need it for this love pain. Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha the Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my social media planner. This is the Planner Babe, and I use her for my social media needs. I use it for Instagram, for YouTube, for my magazine, Paper Planner Essentials, and I'll link that down below in the description box. But this is where I keep track of what I need to do for social media. So here's a look at a couple of pages. This is the page from last week. I'm still kind of filling in some things here. But this week I'll be planning for the week of January 27th through February 2nd. I cannot believe that January is almost over. So I'll go ahead and take these out. This week, I'm going to try to pair these two books. This is the new Boss Babe book along with the encouragement book. I was looking in it and I noticed that some of the same colors in this encouragement book matches the colors in the Boss Babe book. And in fact, see if I can find it. Here they are. So here are some of the same colors, just a different sticker. So I'm going to see if I can pair these two in this week's spread. So I'll go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I will be the first to admit I don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the disc anyway, and I'm going to make the best of it. So this is proof that, you know, there are those times when you make a spread that you don't like, and it is okay. I'm going to work with it anyway, and I'm glad that it's in this planner because in order to keep up with my social media schedule, I have to use it. So even though I don't like it, I have no choice but to use it. And maybe as the week goes on and I start to fill it in, maybe it will start to grow on me. I just think I'll probably have to be extremely careful in how I write in it. So maybe, you know, if I make myself write really neatly, I can make it look okay. I don't know. But anyway, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.